So for me, the journey really started at a meeting of the Advisory Committee for the National Highways Sector Scheme back in October 2015. So an employers group was established from 19A accredited companies, and we also established a subcommittee, a training group that was chaired by David Horrocks and other members from the advisory committee, and that included Jeff Bowden and Lance Williams from Highways England, and also Pete Walker from the British Constructional Steelworkers Association, all that were a great help in getting this standard developed. 19A specifically deals with corrosion protection and therefore has always had an interest in raising quality standards within the sector. And as a committee, we've recognised for a number of years that there was a shortfall of new young entrants coming into the sector. An employers group was formed from 19A accredited companies, and we also formed a training group which was led by David Horrocks.
We were very passionate about making sure that the infrastructure was protected for many years to come. And I think one of the key things that was highlighted within that committee was the government started to demand more apprentices, and we didn't have an apprenticeship scheme, which was a crying shame, really. So I think because of the steel fabricator and the steel erector that was coming through the apprenticeship programme that we knew about, because of one of our committee members who was active in that, which was Peter Walker from the BCSA, that really highlighted to us that if we can get those apprenticeships through a programme, why can't we get an industrial coating applicator apprenticeship programme put together based on the same format of standard that was being run through the Institute for Apprenticeships? I think for me, the apprenticeship programme was something of a passion of mine personally, due to the fact that leaving school at an early age with no qualifications, getting the apprenticeship within your own development is probably the key to the rest of your future. And I met the apprentices on day pretty much the first week of the course when they started. And I gave them a talk in terms of how I progressed from being a painter into inspection and management, and now going into a more of an engineering role, an advisory role, and linking in with the likes of the apprenticeship programme and the Institute of Corrosion and Highways England. It really is the pinnacle of seeing this developed that's given me such passion to make sure that it continues.